Welcome to this bright and comfortable 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo offering 921 square feet of well-designed living space. Located in a multi-unit building, this third-floor home features a functional layout with excellent natural light throughout. The property is part of an HOA community, responsible for all exterior maintenance-related items, providing added convenience and low-maintenance living. The home comes fully equipped with essential appliances, including a dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, microwave, washer, and dryer for your convenience. Enjoy year-round comfort with central air conditioning and heating. Both bedrooms are generously sized, and the living area offers a cozy and inviting space for relaxing or entertaining. The overall layout makes the home feel open, practical, and easy to maintain. Utilities are tenant responsibility. Pets are welcome, making this a great option for you and your furry companions. Conveniently located near downtown Indianapolis, you'll have easy access to local dining, shopping, and major roadways. Nearby landmarks include Arsenal Technical High School and Ellenberger Park.